Salamat.
Spalding in the living room, part 1. Oh yay, we're gonna have
Ito
dun.
maayos na pakikipag-usap to. Ayoko nang makikita ka dyan. Kahit gabi.
I used all of it.
Gusto.
I'm gonna be at the mask. At the mask.
Hindi pwede.
At the mask.
Nirereklamo kayo. Bakit? Ang
Let's
track na
unpack
ang
my things
parada.
now.
Napakadelikado ang dilim dito. Paano pa may nadisgrasya? Diba? Kumagal kang pwesto. Kung gusto mo, makiusap ka sa gas station, makabigyan ka ng maliit na pwesto dyan. Sa looban, bahala ka. Basta hindi ka sa bangketa, yung customer mo hindi paparada sa kalsada. Kung gusto nyo ipasok nila. Yan na lang ha. O, diyan ka makiusap ha.
May naatak na pala dito. Palabas ng Merville.
What happened to my hair? No.
Araw-araw po kayo nakaparada dito.
I have to wash it at night.
Hindi kayo na sa...
It's gonna be so sick. It's gonna be so sicky. So sicky.
Nakataon na po kasi. Lord, talaga ba? Ikaw pa? Alam mo ba, taga rito ako, araw-araw akong dumadaan dito, nakita ko tong belos na to. Meron pa kayo isang high is dyan na may sticker ng Eagles lagi.
Sino ko ako talaga sa kahit ano lang ngayon. Nakarating niya lang po talaga sa
Bawal na kasi pagkakarating na, kasi nakataon na yun eh. Ano yung tayo magagawa? Pwede mo kayo sumama para makuha niyo pa agad yun.
A few inches later,
Hindi namin yung mabababayan.
I go dirty the mines, so I have to
You are
wash it off
totally wrong
now.
kung parking your vehicle here. Kasi, paakyat po yan ng service road. Kaya nga po may yellow yan, ibig sabihin, bawal po kayo pumarada. Tinan niyo, oh yan, oh. Bawal. All the way yan. Doon kayo pwede pumarada kung meron man ordinansa, which is wala kayong ordinansa, kaya nakalagay, barangay ordinance, di ba? Unauthorized and illegally parked vehicles, you will come. Kung sila, hindi ka, hindi yung mga nag-aaral ko yung hindi, ito kami. Dapat ikaw mismo, ikaw yung guard, ikaw hindi pumapayag. Kaya ganyan. Alam mo ba yung high ace na may sticker ng Eagles? Nagtitinda yun. Ang daming mga
Would you
gamit
come
dyan,
over
hindi
to
mo
me?
gamit.
Let's stay awake if we actually
Hindi
could
pala
come.
kulang yung guard eh. Hindi ko naman ibabatayan. Kausapin mo na lang yung asawa mo. Kausapin mo na lang. Pakalmahin mo na lang. Ibig sasabayan mo, pakalmahin mo muna. Kasi kung sasabayan mo ng gano'n, hindi ka kalma yan. Ano mas
Oh, they must read them. Be prepared.
Pakalmahin mo, saka natin ayusin yan sa impounding na lang. Ha? Hindi makukuha yan eh. Makukuha niyo yan. Pakalmahin mo na lang muna. Kausapin mo na yan.
Today is spa day, so I have to prepare all of my
Biling ba
stuff.
kayo? Kumarap sa abogado dahil makakasuhan po tayo dito. Pati kayo po madadamay dahil ang i-report po namin, pinagpilitan niyo po yan, kayo ang may pananagutan on legal grounds. Kasi bawal po yung pinapagawa niyo na pagbaba po niyan. Dahil based on batas, towing guidelines po natin, once na nakampa na ang kotse, considered towed na po yan, hindi na po pwede. May konsiderasyon kami
camping again.
Pag lumabas ang driver,
We're gonna have a
alis.
pet.
Ngayon, sumobra na po. May video po pinakita sa akin. Pag dumating po kayo, nakasampa na po yung sasakyan. So that's more than 5 minutes consideration. Unless kayo,
My water.
sa inyo binibigay option, willing ba kayo?
My energy
Nakaharap ba kayo
drink,
sa
like
legal?
Coca-Cola.
Kasi pag pipilitan ni Babato, gagawa ng
I'll
report
close
yan,
it
sasagot kayo sa legal.
tomorrow.
Pero pag sumama na lang
My
kayo,
raincoat.
matutulungan na lang kayo sa impounding. Ganun na lang. Makukuha niyo
We'll
agad
change
yan.
his clothes
Makukuha niyo. Iuwi niyo na muna.
or tomorrow. Or McDonald's.
Okay, tara. Wait lang. Wala sita, walang limit. Napaglaman, walang lisensya.
Saan? Wala ka rin ORCR. Eh bakit ganun plaka mo? Ha? Oo, hindi dapat yung plaka na kung second hand. Saan? Hindi. Kahit sa Taytay pa kinuha yan, may plaka na dapat yan. Hindi naman yan brand new, lumabas, di ba? Oh, ba't walang plaka?
I have to hurry up or you will send me to the orphanage.
Pero wala ka lisensya, may found yan. Pakuha nila
I
sa
have to
Totra, wala lisensya.
hurry. Or else there are could I put me or
Expired.
else
2020 pa to. Oh, wala, expired din. Hindi mo nga pwede na.
or else you
2020
will
pa expired, 2025
put me at the
na.
bookstore.
Expired ang papel.
My phone of course.
Eh, bago mo binili dapat rehistrado
My
yan.
phone
Ikaw
of
mo ibili ng motor na
course.
hindi
My
rehistrado.
phone of
Paano yan? Papihit yan
course.
sa ano? Karna. Paint contract. Tibeles. Tibeles. Ipod yung ano, motor. Lahat wala. Lahat
We're
ng
gonna
meron,
buy
wala
that.
siya.
No.
Okay yun ah. Sa oras na 11:55 na umaga, nandito tayo ngayon sa may San Valley Drive at sakop ng Paranaque. At ito,
Another day of camping. What took this so long? I'm so sorry that because I forgot about my helmet. Oh,
Pwede kayo sumama sa impounding para matapos
it's
niya.
okay. Let's
May
go.
violation kayo.
Where's
Meron
Danielle?
kayo, ano,
Oh,
violation.
I'm so sorry, Jasmine. Danielle is sick. Danielle is sick. Oh, I feel so bad. Me too. Let's go.
May video yan. Oh, hindi ko lang nila napansin. Siya yung sabi, oh, tagal na itong coordinated sa barangay. Napakatagal na po. December pa po itong complaint na ito. Sumara Marikina. Bawal po yun. Illegal po yun. That's illegal na. Illegal na po. Kaya makakapasok po yan doon dahil reference po yan. Hindi po kami abala. Sila po ang abala dahil nakaparada kayo sa sidewalk. Saka mali po to, ba't may linya to ng yellow? Diyan yung pinaparada
So
yung mga motor.
tasty. What do you mean? So tasty.
Morning!
ay, hello.
Baka lang sa sidewalk po. Nakarangan ng sidewalk. May sinasabi dito doon sa may academy daw, sa eskwelahan, nakapasok daw, ba't daw tinato?
Hindi sir, nasa sidewalk yan.
Ayun sa sidewalk na po.
Tapos pareho lang dito.
Jasmine, come on. Let me slow.
Wala.
I'm coming.
Wala
Lexi,
po.
what is this?
Lumabas kanina para makapag-present ng license.
Our topic for tonight. What the what?
Ay wala na po. Dapat
This is
po,
are gonna be our food.
lumabas. Meron po
Disgusting! Ew!
Tagal na po ito, coordinated sa barangay.
I'm just kidding.
Barangay nga po nag-request nito eh. Barangay po ang nagreklamo.
We have nothing to
Driver
eat,
kanina.
bro.
Yun nga po, ma'am.
And this is
Ganito po
gonna be
yan.
hot.
Once illegal parking,
This is
pag
super-
lumabas,
oh my
dapat
God,
yung
my
driver
favorite
lumabas may license. Parang impossible po kasi maliit na ako yung bangketa nyo. Pag ako pumunta doon, tinignan ko. Pag mali po, wala tayong magagawa. Mali po talaga yan, ha? Opo, bangketa po yan, ha? O ako titingin. Sinasabi, hindi daw una sa bangketa.
What the what? Why is that?
Yan po ba isa
Bro.
inyo? Yan po. Lagpas nga po talaga sa side. Ang laki po na nilagpas. Ma'am, ang tagal na po ng consideration na
This
binigay po
could
namin
make
sa
us broke,
December.
Lexi.
Ma'am, hindi po pwede hindi nyo alam. Ayan mo po, oh. Kayo po ba driver? Ako po muna.
It's tiring.
Ito na po yung paliwanag nyo. Hindi nyo po alam,
Alright.
etc. Then again, coordinated po ito sa barangay. Hindi po lang trabaho to. This is your responsibility also.
Lexi, where should I sleep?
The sidewalk. Hindi
I
nyo
don't
po
know.
alam na, ito na, tama na po ito eh. Bakit nyo nilagpasan? Opo, pasensya na ha, kasi lagpas na po tayo sa
See
5
here.
minutes.
Why do you like the bat? You see the
May lisensya
bat?
po kayo?
It's like everywhere. I don't know why.
Nasaan po?
susi, sir.
Ay, hindi po.
Oh
Kailangan
my God.
ang mag-aalis
This is
po namin,
bad.
lisensya. Pero
Mini,
lagpas
mini,
na rin po
mini,
sa
mini.
5 minuto
Actually,
po yan.
just had to go. Bitty, 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 but catch the spider on the wall. So I got to keep it. Listen, that's so unfair. That was virtually by I hated that.
Ma'am, pag binigyan ko kayo ng konsiderasyon, irereklamo po tayo. Ay, hindi po. Ma'am, kung po marereklamo, sumama na lang po kayo. Sa impounding, pwede naman po ma-release po kagad yan. Ma'am, I hope you understand, ha? Pag kayo pinagbigyan ko,
I don't have a little
irereklamo po kayo ng
spa.
kapitbahay nila.
This is
Ang
about
driver
a
nila
spa.
lumabas pero lakas na po sa consideration natin.
Ayo, la, la, la.
They will be the one to complain. And if they complain,
Yes, you do have to make all of your.
kahit
You have to
po
make, you
susi,
have to make all of your stuff.
matotoo pa rin po yan.
That's
Hindi
so
naman
unfair.
kayo yung driver wala kasi. Sige na. Bakit hindi nyo pa inumpisahan? Hindi. Wala naman. Hindi po pwede.
That was so unfair.
Hindi po. Impisahan po namin yung pag-angkla. Ay, hindi po i-drive. Isasampa po yan. Hindi po i-drive. Isasampa po yan. Bawal po yun. Tinan nyo naman, no? Paano pong konti yan? Kayo na po, miss. Wala po.
Gagawin ko po.
Isasampa pa rin po namin.
Tapos,
Pwede kayo sumama sa impounding.
saan po ba yun?
Sa Tumana, Marikina po.
Wala yun. Sige na po ako.
Ma'am, wala po tayong exemption. There's no exemption.
Ano na po ako?
Matulungan po kayo, pwede po kayo sumama. Pero ang kailangan po sumama, merong lisensya. Kasi kung hindi rin po lang papayagan marilis po yan.
Paano po malinis po?
ORCR, driver's license, then yung penalty po nyo. Yun ang hindi ko po masasagot yung towing fee, pero may penalty po yung 2,000 na unattended. You are a teacher naman po, di ba? So at the time of apprehension, once na dumating ang enforcer, wala pong driver, it's already considered unattended. Unless na lang may dumating pong driver na habang sinusulat yung ticket, nabigay ang lisensya. Eh wala po eh.
Ito naman po eh.
Wala po. Wala po. Hindi naman po kami pwede maghintay. That would be unfair for other people.
Nowhere to sleep, Lexi. Then, cut my way. Sleep inside. But I don't want to be kidnapped. That's not kidnapping. Bye-bye.
Yes po.
No! I hate this life.
Bakit hindi po kayo nakalabas kaagad?
I surely didn't get a good
Bawal
life.
po kasi dito no parking both side po dito. Talaga.
I go la la la.
Unfortunately, hindi na kita mapagbibigyan dahil wala naman pong lumabas at the time of apprehension ng enforcer. Unattended na po siya at lumagpas na po dun sa 5 minutes natin na consideration. The least that I can do is, kaso hindi pa po kayo tapos, eh pwede naman kayo sumama sana, kaso hindi pa po kayo tapos na sa hindi pinapagawa niyo. I would suggest, tapusin mo na lang yung pinapagawa mo, tapos mamaya kunin nyo na lang sa impounding. Ganun na lang po, ha? Makukuha nyo naman kagad. Matagal pa yan. Mga 2 oras pa. Sensya na kayo, ha? Kung sinasabi nyo na lumabas kayo agad, hindi po dapat matotoo yan. Kasi meron kami binibigyan ng 5-minute consideration. May video po yan, makikita nyo pa sa towing, sa enforcer. Kung lumagpas po sa 5 minutes consideration po
Kasi
yan.
sir, nakikita-negotiate pa sa atin, so bigla silang dumating. So, that time, pinapakiusap ko, sir, 2,000 kasi may lisensya ako. Ito na lang, sir, ay papakita.
Dalawa
So
sa sakyan nyo.
cozy.
Kasi quoted
Ilan ang lisensya? Ilan lang. Ba't di nag-present?
Andyan ako, sir, kasi inuna ko muna yung akong babae, tapos ako may lisensya din.
Parang that's impossible, may video naman po.
May lisensya, sir, kasi sabi ko, dito lang sa anak ko, para yung sa truck akin na lang.
Parang, ano eh, kasi kami po, pag
Na-
lisensya po naman.
Nanay Jasmine.
Saan na binigay niyo muna yung lisensya agad mo before negotiating?
Nanay Jasmine.
Negotiate on the road.
Hindi pinapako ko na sa taas kasi.
Hindi niyo alam na bawal pumarami
Nay.
doon sa bangketa.
Actually, sir, nung araw pa yan, nanaktaw na nga yung isang unit ko doon, nandun na sa
Nay,
barangay.
Lexi.
Ngayon, ito kasi
Barangay din po ang nagkakamonitor.
You have a good day.
Ay, na-improve naman kami. Kaya
Ayun
lang
naman.
inaarap. Kaya ang point ko lang, sir, kasi may lisensya naman. Ngayon, ang gusto ko na lang
Did,
sana.
did it exceed or did not exceed the 5-minute consideration? That's the question.
It's so cold. Where should I
Wala po ako doon.
sleep? I don't know where to sleep.
So kung gusto nyo i-contest, contest nyo na lang po. School din naman pala, paano yung aalisin? Paano yung aalisin?
Meron ako, kasi yung adventure namin, so may pagpila yun, ginawa mo, uuwi na namin ng lagi.
Okay. Mas lalaki pa po yan ang problema nyo. That's illegal towing. Hindi kayo pwede mag-tow na hindi authorized tow truck ang gagamitin nyo. You have to have a tow truck to tow your vehicle, especially on public road. Ang Mitsubishi Adventure, kahit na may winch pa po yan o may tow hook, wala kayong proper
Finally, it's already the morning.
illegal towing. din po
Wow,
yun.
it's so fast.
Oo.
So, kaya na lang kami mag-tow na may
Put my things back.
Wala lang, sir. Kasi, wala ka kami pera, sir. Yun ang
Hindi,
okay, sir. Okay nga. Ang adventure namin kasi, parang ganyan, sir.
Don't touch that bell after all.
Pero umanap pa namin kami sa ang luwas lang kasi ng asawa ko. Ngayon nag-report kami.
Humanap kayo ng tow truck na magtotow, hindi pwede. Pero towed na pa rin yan. Hindi namin bibitawan po yan.
Pag ano, sir?
Hope that's
Towed na po yan. Hindi ko bibitawan po yan dito. No matter how we argue, you have your own point eh.
Yun na, sir. So, ang
You want to justify your point. Kami naman, we have...
Lexi, wake up!
There is the law that we
Yeah.
have to follow. First and
It's
foremost,
ours,
kung
buddy!
alam niyo, bawal harangan ng
Yay!
bangketa. It's beyond your property.
Oh.
It's not your property
Oh.
ang sidewalk. Prove it to me na less
Well,
than
anyways,
5
let's go
minutes,
for a
lumabas
spa.
po kayo.
Yay!
na isa.
Eh, may video po yung tow truck din.
Ayun na nga. Kasi,
Gusto niyo tingnan natin?
No, I will not let it in. Why?
Pakita po,
Because
lumagpas
you
na
didn't
5
let me
minuto.
allow. I'm not gonna keep this happy.
Video mo.
But it's
Saka,
right.
segundo lang daw eh. Segundo lang daw.
Oh, should I pick up a nice person?
Oh, ayan ang tow truck ha. 5
Too late,
minute mark po yan ha.
too late, Lexi.
di siya kausap pa kita, di ba?
May nauna na po ang enforcer.
Dito, yun na nga, kausap.
Jasmine, wait!
Gusto kakausapin sa dami nila. Kaya
Ayun,
hinahanap.
mama, we're nearing 1 minute mark na ha. Oh, wala pa rin po ha. Oh, tow truck po namin yan. Towing crew po namin yan. Oh. Forward ko na para hindi sa oras natin. Oh, yun yung adventure. Kaya yung driver.
Hindi kasi kausap na ako nga, sir.
So forward ko po ulit. Let's go to 3 minutes and 24
Sa
seconds.
kanya yun, tapos kayo.
Hindi, sa akin po yung iba po yung sa kanya. no?
Iba pa po yung sa kanya. Mas nauna
Pero
rin.
that time na kausap ko, di ba nagkakaroon sa kakalan ng video? Yung kausap ko lang
Nonetheless, no?
Because
Isa po ang video at
I am here for my spa.
Wala naman pong anyone who presented the driver's license. Ayan. Wala. Saan yan? Sige. Kasi yun po yung itotoo.
Yun na, kasi kahit dito kasi dumating siya dito, siya nagbigay na yung babae, di ba yung nagtigil. So yun ang pag-ibigay sa akin.
Wala po. 3 minutes 50 seconds na. Pause ko. Saan? Wala naman pong tao. Ayun yung adventure.
Wala pa kasi tutulog sa rin. Kasi dumating yung tao.
Yung enforcer, siyempre naninikin. Klaro-klaro usapan natin na pag nakita sa video na wala po kayo dyan pagdating ng 5 minute mark. Oh, 4 minute mark na.
How are you so
Kaya,
happy?
tinawag kayo. Tinawag pa lang kayo. Oh, ayan na. Naghihintay ng taong lalabas.
Finally back.
Oh, 4 minute 23 seconds.
I'll just put the spa on the table
Tinatawag
in
pa
my
lang po kayo.
headband.
Oh. Oh, sino po itong
Look
lalaki?
at my outfit.
Nakasalamin. Wala, oh.
Nagkataon po kasi niya kayo, tapos na kami tinawag lang po kayo ng alas.
It's muffin time. It's muffin time.
Ma'am, these people will not
Somebody
pay
cancel.
them nothing. Pakipagkuha ng data updated. We are sure para pera. Mismo na po yun. Mahanapan. Isa lang po MMA County kayo.
Oh my god, I'm back.
ka ganun?
It was too hard to walk here.
Bakit? Bakit hindi lang pwede
I hate
doon
this
na?
one.
Pinakaharang. Asan yung MTPB? Pakitawag. Pakitawag nga.
Ha! Where is Lexi? Why is Lexi so late?
Pati yung ano, Hilux o nasa harap.
Oh my god, hi, Maria's here already. How did
Anong
you
ginagawa nila? Wala naman silang work order eh. Hindi pwede. Pilitan niyo, pilitan niyo. Hindi pwede, hindi
So
pwede
it's
pumila.
spa.
Mabuhay na ito eh.
This is
Pilitan niyo
yours,
kayo, para
Lexi? And this is mine. But I like
ano mo na lang
being
yan?
with the just the same.
Yung Hilux na yan ba?
Go to your seats.
Yung Hilux? Pag yung Hilux, i-flatbed nyo na lang yan. Flatbed yan.
Wala yung yari.
Morning.
Hey, I got the champagne with
Flatbed!
ads.
Isang flatbed!
Sir, nandito ang special operations group ng NMDA sa pamumuno ni Sir Gabriel dito sa kanto ng Dapitan at Banawi at sakop ng Quezon City.
Me first,
At
okay?
ng
Okay.
nakakatap dahil nakaharang sa sidewalk.
Mine is only for morning and mine's for night only. So, bye. Foundation.
Dito tayo sa main, Dapitan Arcade. Itong mga bumbero, patawag nga. Sinabihan ko na to, hindi pwede dito eh.
Ilang beses na ito napapagsabihan.
Okay, I'm done.
Tanggalin niyo yung bakal na harang. Tanggalin niyo yung bakal na harang.
It's your turn.
Kayo na lang po yung mga nakasobra sa bangketa. Yung iba hindi na po. Tanggalin niyo lang yung kahoy po. Wala naman laman yan eh. Para wala sila mapagtungtungan.
I'm done.
Yan.
Yeah, that took an hour.
Hindi po, hindi po. Huwag niyong gagalawin yan. Brad, ba't ka ganun?
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, Jeffrey.
Hindi lang
Bye-bye,
pwede
Lexi.
doon na. Nakaharang. Yun o. Pahanap niyo yung may-ari niyan. Hindi natin nakuha yan dahil mabigat.
Oh my god, baby. I've been looking for you. I thought you lost. You're spotting. Yeah. But you never told me. I've been calling you. My phone was on silent.
Para saan po?
Hawker's permit, sir.
Alin po ba sa inyo?
Subscribe to my dad.
Wala pa po kay MDAD. Walang permit. Hindi bawal. Saka,
Kasi sabi ni Sen Alberto, wait lang kasi on purchasing lang.
Yay!
pero hindi po. Basta ako
We're
po
together.
Hindi po
We're
dyan
together.
dapat.
We're together. We're together.
Ibig sabihin, kung waiting man po, ibig sabihin, bawal.
Yay.
Bawal.
We're together. We're together.
Tatanggalin natin.
We're together.
Ay,
We're together.
thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Salamat po.
See you,
Ingat.
see you next time,
Po,
babe.
tanggalin nyo na.
See you
Buksan
next
nyo,
time,
dalawa
baby
natin kayo
girl.
pasok. Buksan nyo na po yan.
See you next time, babe. Bye.
Yung dalawang
Bye.
fire truck, pakihanap na yung driver. Kita nyo yan. Hindi po, tulungan namin kayo.
Mwah.
Kaya pala mabigat, puro-puro ng paninda. Hindi na gumugulo.
Mwah.
Kasi permanent lang nandyan eh. Hindi po kayo mabibigyan. Ako lang po nagsasabi sa inyo. Kung mabigyan man po kayo, tatanggalin pa rin namin dahil bangketa pa rin po yan. Wala na pong malakang. Kahit nasabihin natin, may flat box po doon, ang bangketa. Okay. Yan, ako yung pagkita. Kahit po makiusap po tayo, yung pinagdalagan nyo, bawal, unfair po dun sa iba, na hindi naman po sila lumalagpas ng bangketa. Hindi mo namin kayo pwede bigyan ng special treatment dahil nakikiusap po kayo.
That was a long day.
Pwede naman palang pasok yung...
That was a long day.
Ito na isa.
I'm so happy. Yay.
Oo, maganda yung tingnan. Maayos na itong tinagalisan ng fire truck. Ito na lang isa. Nandiyan na yung driver. Ito yung pinanggalingan ng dalawang fire truck. Di ba? Ang ganda lakaran.
O sige po, pag nadatnan pa po namin yan ha. Pag nadatnan namin ulit yan ha. Ayan, ayan. O tara, forward. Parang sa oras. Walang bangketa. Gano'n ba sa kalsada? Wanto lang ha. May mga kakalasin. Pakicheck nyo ang mga tricycle terminal.
Nasa Bloomingtreet na tayo.
Scoop. Sa'yo.
Okay, ito nga parada ng Innova.
Ito mga gamit dito. Yung hindi nyo po makuha, kami na po magtatanggal. At hindi ko unahin nyo po yung freezer. Tanggalin nyo na lahat, kunin nyo. Iwan nyo lang yung mga gamit. Kunin yung mga tungtungan.
Kids! Yeah, Mom. Mom, what happened to bed? Yeah. I went to my friend.
Kunin nyo na lang sa impounding. Makukuha nyo naman, wala nang mababayaran doon.
I just went to my friend. That's
Kasi wala
it.
lang sa
And I
kalsada.
felt so bad of that, yeah.
Sa kalsada pa.
They didn't help me, girls. Yes, sir. Where am I now? Where am I, puppy? Oh, that looks so cute. Yeah, I know it looks so cute. I know, right?
Sa taas kayo magsampay,
Ha?
dito sa baba. Yun o, sa loob kayo magsampay.
Sa kabila, paglampas lang sa kanto na yan, may bangkita ko sa unahan or sidewalk. Dito, wala na. Hanggang doon sa dulo, wala nang bangkita. Oo, sa kabila, may bangkita. So, hindi lang natin alam kung meron lang bangkita dito at nakakupado na nila. Nakapatong na yung mga bahay. May nakikita na mga gamit sa labas or nasa kalsada. So, ayon sa mga taga dito, sila na lang daw mag-aayos. At wala pang lugar kung saan tayo sisiksik sa looban ng kanilang mga bahay. So, sa pagbabalik, at nandito pa rin dito mga gamit na ito, nag-confis kayo lahat. Nasa Bloomingtreet pa rin tayo.
May ano dito, Skog. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Tingnan mo nga.
Thank you, girls. Yeah, I forgot to go to the grocery. I'm sorry.
Wala pa yan ang pwesto mo.
It's okay, Mommy.
Nasa tapat tayo ng Chinese General Hospital. At nasa Bloomingtreet pa rin tayo. At ito,
Since you're a good person, you can have this.
at walang driver o
Thanks,
may-ari.
Mommy. Give you what you want.
Ay, ito,
This
dumating na
thing,
yung may-ari,
that's
yun
off,
nga lang,
or
hinahanap na.
pastries. Pastries, please. Okay. Yeah, beating you up. Yeah, we're beating you up. We're beating an NBC.
Yung
Yeah.
kainan dito, sobra-sobra na sa bangketa.
I'm gonna picture Dad. Lily's camera. Mackenzie's camera, diba? It becomes so cute. Oh my God, it's Mackenzie and Zara.
After natin sa
Next is Zara.
nasakop ng Quezon City.
Oh my God.
At nandito na tayo
It's Zara and
sa
Mackenzie.
sakop na ng Maynila.
I'll hide the picture so no one will
Ito
know.
unang nadaanan, yung mga motorsiklo nito na mayroon na nga mahahatak.
Okay, bye-bye kids.
Tapos itong
Bye.
bangketa, ito yung bangketa ha.
Ew.
Kung mapapansin nyo ito, ano bang tawag yung tiles? Na-tiles na yung bangketa. Hanggang doon.
Hey, yo, what happened? Confused. Mom, what happened?
Pakisabihan, huwag kayong lalagpas dito.
Hey, this is so
Maximum hanggang dito lang
fun.
po kayo. Tapatan nyo lang yung gate na yan, ha? Kasi
One
dito
more lap.
nakakuna ng tao yan eh. Actually, mali na nga na tiniles nyo eh. Di ba?
One more lap, one more lap.
Dito lang kayo, huwag kayo lalagpas, ha?
You won.
Ito, tagalin natin, ha?
Every time I won, the game ended. Yeah.
Nakaroon kayo sa bangketa.
I didn't know that. Now you know.
Hindi, sige, yelo, iwan po namin. Tanggalin nyo na lang to. Ito. Hindi, ito, para ito, madaanan man lang to. Yung
Ooh,
yelo, ang
where
gawin
did
nyo,
this come from?
gawin nyo na lang muna doon sa gilid.
Oh well.
Malaki pala yung bangketa dito.
I'm gonna watch. Yeah, me too.
Baka magawa nyo ng paraan sa susunod po to. Ito. Baka magawa natin ng paraan to na wala dito nakaharang. Baka pwede katulad ng iba. Masyadong mahaba kasi. Baka pwede iiyan na lang para wala na kayong tungtungan dito. Kasi nakakatay sa bangketa, ha? Bigyan ko kayo ng 2 linggo para ayusin to. Kaya gawin nyo, di ba nakaganoon? Imbis na dito nakatungtong sa kalsada, sa bangketa, yung base nyo, papunta dun sa pader. Di ba? 2 linggo.
Style Showdown is releasing in less than 24 hours. Here's the new logo. There's now 8 new challenges. Item block, limited items, posting, random items, and the ones we know, immunity idol, double elimination, speed round, and vote reveal. Posting actually seems terrifying, but are you ready for
Sige, pasok na natin. Pasok natin, ha?
Sarah's camera.
Dito sa Aurora, kakaliwa dyan sa Pampanga. After natin ng Pampanga, kumaliwa dito sa Rizal Avenue. Kaya pag titikitan sa mga nakahambalang mga jeepney rito. Hello! Ingat! Ingat! Oh! Kabilaan, matitikitan at posibleng mahatak. Lahat ng mga naka-aral sa sidewalk. Hello!
Trash. Come on, Mom. We can afford to lose like $2,000. We're not poor. Oh my goodness. Can you look at
Laki
this one?
eh.
This one is.
Ang dami.
Oh wow. What is
Ticket na lang yan.
How much is it? $10,000, but we can afford that. 10,000. I'm so sorry, honey, but that is way too expensive for a dress. My budget was
Nasaan na si Ganda ko? Humingi ng sticker.
I want to make you happy, but that is an absurd amount of money.
La, humingi ng sticker sa'yo.
It's your 14th birthday. Oh my goodness, Mom. Why is it completely on everything? It's not like we're poor. We're not living in poverty. Get it for me now. I want to make you happy, but
Kala ko ito lang, nakapansin ko na ito. Kala ko ano lang na tinatanggal sa tali. Ito pala, may basketball ring.
oh my. That was
At
my child.
dito yung court nila sa kalsada.
She would have got smacked right in the face. Children these days just don't disrespect what
Bye.
I'm grateful.
Ha?
Julia, stop screaming. The stress is too much. I know you spend time on a beautiful destination somewhere. Or get your room remodel. I'm not going to spend $10,000 for a trip that you're only going to work for one day. Fine, you don't have to buy it. I don't want a stupid party for you anyways. I'm leaving. Wait, Julia, where are you going? I'm leaving and taking my business to somewhere else. That's where I'm going. Okay.
Nasaan na yung attendant? Yung nagsabing ano? Yung happy party sila.
Better and get the matching purse as well. If my mom doesn't believe that I won, then I'll go off.
Ano ba ka
Says
na?
that
Kaya
actually
alis.
is the most expensive iPhone. She said that she
Okay,
won it
naka-uniform ka lang natin talaga. Ng party attendant.
I wonder what this
Nasa tapat tayo ng Serious
Are you
Medical Center.
serious right now? What's wrong
Yung
with
mga
you?
naabutan ng
Ask
park
for,
dito sa
right?
kalsada, may mga ticket ng MTPB.
No!
Saka itong mga motorsiklo.
You got me the blue one!
Yung iba may MTPB parking ticket. Pero ito, wala.
It was really expensive.
So, matitikitan ito.
I
At mahahatap.
What is it, your medication messing up your brain now or something? We were in the store and I said I was going to run quick out of China. Sweetie, please calm down. I paid like so much for this phone and I tried.
Pwede po ba natin ayusin yung pwesto nyo?
I went to the store after
Iusok po natin ng konti na hindi nakaharang sa pedestrian para makapagtawid po yung mga tao. Makatawid po dito. Gawa po natin ang paraan. Ilipat natin yung pwesto. Huwag din natin harangan yung... Siguro, dyan na lang po nilagay para looban, para may malakaran ng mga tao. Pakagawa na po ngayon. Ngayon na po. Pedestrian kasi yan. Kailangan natin iklaro yan para makatawid ang mga tao. Well, seems like nabigyan naman sila ng temporary authority, mga temporary na makapagtinda sila dito. Although, hindi dapat nahaharangan yung mismo lakaran ng tao, PWD ramp, at lalo-lalo po ang pedestrian crossing po natin. So, papanipan po natin sila para meron pa rin malakaran at meron pa rin matawiran mga kababayan natin.
And Mackenzie's camera.
Sige. Buhatin nyo muna. Ililipat lang natin. Ayusin natin, ha? Para makatawid ang mga tao.
Wow, what's that? A secret door.
Tulungan nyo may usog. Dahan-dahan. Baka makatapos ng mga ulam.
I just wanted to see what's behind the door. I remember what was behind it. It was so scary. Was it a mirror? And you saw your face? Shut up, correct. When you see what it is, you will
Bakit share man lang commander ng FIFA? Hindi ba dapat
You must never enter it.
I am gonna lock it.
If we see you trying to get in, you will be grounded
Itong
for
mga
a year.
tindahan.
I will never touch it.
She must never know.
We will make sure she doesn't. What are parents hiding? Maybe they are serial killers. The reality is much worse. It's my 16th birthday. We are going to pick up your presents.
The best gift ever.
I am so excited. Well, they are gone. It's time for me to do what I always wanted. Check what's behind the door. Finally, the secret will be revealed. What will it be? I know the key is here. I bet they just hide presents there.
Bakit yun lang?
What the? Alpha.
Asan yung MTPB? Pakitawag. Pakitawag nga.
If you were here, then who was I living with?
Happy birthday, Belina. Your gift is done.
Sino yan? Halika.
This was one of the scary stories on the channel. Actually, here is another scary video. Can we see it? Why not? But don't say
Sinabi
I
niyo
didn't
walang
warn
parking
you.
ticket. Iniswa mo ng parking ticket.
Curse is real, Dusty. You can control anything people do.
Kasi sabi niyo ito wala. Tinuro niyo sa akin.
Hey! Yes, Miss Selena. Running into a wall. Not pranking you. Oh, wait, let's test. It's real. Nara, yes, my queen. Start hitting yourself. And you say my queen.
Walang
Well,
oras.
let's make
Walang
you prove
drivers.
enough of this. And along. Yes, my queen. Now you eat food.
Oh, pero Pero dapat may driver's issue. Ibig sabihin, tinikita niyo na wala yung driver.
What's going on here? I am going to tell Mom that you
Tinaro
have
ko
been
sa'yo,
so
sabi kasi lumapit ka sa'kin, sinabi mo sa akin, kayo usap lang.
Here's Miss
O yung pala may parking ticket.
Any orders? But when I'm about to make you do some funny things. I don't care. I already made you eat through.
Mali
When
po
you
yung
give
side
up?
area
Yes,
ng parking
just 5
nila
seconds
dapat.
ago.
M na organisa lahat.
And wash the toilet, as you say.
Hindi ko maibababa
Where is this
yan.
building I
Kasi
am
pag
on?
nandun na yan,
Mother, is
hindi
this
ko na
her? Which
mabababa.
lets if you control people, you know about the secret adult curse. My mom knows about it. Something is off about this. What do you know, Anna? Yes, Miss Mom. Sarah. Yes, Miss Mom. Forget about the curse and kill Felina's friend. Who knows tomorrow? You know.
I must confess, I'd like to say, Felipe.
Kahit na wala
So
na
all
sila.
this time Mom knew about this? The plot twist is unreal.
Technically, walang parking dito eh. May sa labi nyo kasi ito eh, this is a national road eh. Ang parking nila supposedly sa Lazaro,
No
sa
battery.
loob, sa M ng Tibilan. Pero
Oh
sabi ko
man,
sa-
it's low battery.
Kaya na lang, if hindi nyo po
Put
kaya,
it
baka
on the TV
magbilang
to
siya.
charge.
Baka you can buka-grab na lang muna para makauli si Mama.
Oh man, it's low battery. Let's wait for it to charge. Let's go to sleep first. Okay.
Sa oras na 12:05 ng hapon o ng tanghali.
I'm
Nandito na tayo
finally
sa may
awake.
Tayuman. Marami na nga nahahatak dito. Itong building na ito yung police station. Dalawa, tatlo. Meron pa doon sa unahan, isa. Bali, apat ang matitikitan dito. Yung pag hindi na lumapas ang may-ari, mahahatak at tulad yan. Ito na yung SM Lazaro. Pag diretso, Lacson. Wala na yung dalawang kotse rito.
I'm gonna feed the dog.
Okay, tara. Sa oras na 12:25 ng hapon, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Daunlaan at sakop ng Sampaloc, Manila.
I hope you do not mind the licking of the dog.
Andiyan ang may-ari, dumating. So, ticket na lang to. Alam na linya. Ingat ha, ingat kayo.
Yum yum.
Oh, ingat. Oh, yan, mga sumat.
You want pipi?
Ingat. Nasa ilalim na tayo ng LSS connector.
To clean this up.
Ang labas na itong tulay na ito sa Espanya.
Ayaw,
Nasa
sticky
Laogan
dog.
tayo. Itong sasakyan nito, kaya hahatapin. Andito naman yung may-ari. Yun nga lang, walang susi ng kotse. So, hindi ito maaalis dito.
Wala po kasi yung susi.
Oo, ang problema po kasi, lumagpasan po tayo sa palugit na konsiderasyon ng 5 minuto. Ayun po ang problema. Ayun po ang problema. Hindi po kayo pinayagan pumakaan sa loob. Kailangan nyo gawa ng paraan niya kung saan po kayo paparada. Wala po pwedeng gawin ngayon dahil toad na po yan. Talagang dadali po sa impounding yan. Ang tulong na lang na pwede kayo, pwede po kayo sumama para hindi na kayo mahirapan pupunta ng impounding. Yun na lang po magbibigay ng konsiderasyon. Yung mga na Marikina po. Pwede po kayo sumama. Pwede kayo sumama na para hindi kayo mahirapan pupunta ng impounding. Pagaling yun, maprocess na po yan. May lisensya po kayo o RCR. Para i-release mo agad yun.
Sa oras na
It's almost my birthday.
1:05 ng hapon, nandito pa rin tayo sa Laulaan. Magmula ng
Where's the
Kapitan
cake?
kaninang umaga,
First, I drinks
dumaan
first.
ng Bloomingtreet, pumasok ng Aurora, lumabas ng Rizal Avenue, at dito nga sa Laulaan. Sa layo ng inikot natin, dahil yung na-toad ay 16. Tapos yung apprehension, 34.
you're naked. Only
So, ibig
6
sabihin,
seconds and I had to fake it.
At pinaalis.
Today is my daughter's birthday
Sa
now.
oras na
Today
ito,
is her
Ay,
birthday.
back to base na muna tayo.
Today is her birthday today, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see this. I'm gonna make the cake.
This is a $1, this is a $5, and this is a $150 plate of Thai rice and curry. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to have the Thai curry of your life. From the streets to fine dining. We'll eat Thai street food in this alley. Try rice and curry like you've never seen before from a legendary auntie. Welcome to Thai rice and curry heaven. And meet a chef who might blow you away with his unique
Today is
twist on
Zara's
Thai curry.
birthday.
But you're probably
Today
wondering,
is Zara's
what's the difference?
birthday.
And more importantly, is it worth it? Thai rice
And
and
she
curry?
is finally
I
5 years
absolutely
old.
love you.
Because, you know, she was 4 years old when she was a little kid.
And we're starting at the first place, which is literally slotted between two buildings.
She's up preparing already.
This place is called Khao Gang Wat Rapon, and they are famous, especially for breakfast in the morning. People come here by the crowds, flock here to eat their rice and curry, Khao Gang, and they cook everything fresh right here in the alley, and they serve it from this cart right here. Always busy. There's always a lineup, and then they just have tables kind of scattered down the street. People eating, enjoying the Thai rice and curry. It's friendly. It's extremely local. This is the real deal Thai rice and curry. And one of their signature dishes here is their fried chicken. And they have this special technique. First of all, it's just marinating in the batter, which is quite a soupy, runny batter. And then before he drops it into the oil, he has this technique where he slices them, gives them, like, scores them to let more batter cover the surface. So there's more surface area on that chicken before he puts them into the oil. And there's, like, a lot of extra batter for all these little crunchy bits that's just immersed
I'm
into
gonna
the
wake
chicken.
Zara
And then
up.
it fries. He fries until they're extra
I'm gonna wake
crispy,
Zara up.
perfectly golden brown. Okay, and this batch of fried chicken is ready. Oh, it's so good.
And I'm
It's so
already 10
crispy.
years old. I have to celebrate
That
it
looks
later if
fantastic.
everyone is asleep. I love to celebrate alone, but sometimes I
Okay, wow. Oh, and all the
what was I
crispy
need
edges as
to
well.
about yeah. Nora, I be
Alright,
look
so I'm
at you
gonna
wake
jump in
up.
line and let's order. Everything, what I love so much
Yeah,
is
Mom.
everything is available for the day right here. You can see everything
It's Zara's
before you order it, and it's
birthday.
all
Happy birthday to
freshly
Zara.
cooked right there on the side. And this is the menu. It says 1 item, 35 baht. 2 items, 45.
Let's wake up Zara.
3 items,
Okay.
45 baht. And they're famous for the
Zara,
fried
wake
chicken here as well.
up.
I'm gonna start with fried chicken.
Happy birthday, Zara.
Oh, and I'm gonna go for some of the green chicken curry.
Oh my god, thank you. I didn't know it was my birthday today. Where's the hat?
You get your self-service, your spoon and your
5
fork.
years old.
You can boil it in the
Make a
water
wish.
just to sanitize it.
Before
And
we
then you
make a
find
wish,
your-
let's sing
find
her
your
a
seat.
happy birthday. In 3,
I'll choose this table
2,
right here. Oh, Ying has already chosen this table. Perfect.
1.
Oh man,
Go.
that's a party. That
Let's
is
start
a
recording.
delicious looking plate of food. Oh man, nothing makes me happier than waking up for rice and curry in the morning. Okay, so here we go. I got the fried chicken.
Start recording
I got the
now.
chicken green
Happy
curry, and I
birthday
got,
to
bamboo
you.
shoots. So it's a bit more
Happy
than $1 for 3
birthday
dishes.
to
I had to go the extra
Zara.
mile. I wanted to show you
Happy
more of the food here. So we got the
birthday
45
to
baht version, and
Zara.
then also they specialize
Happy
in paikong, which
birthday
are
to
boiled eggs. So I got
Zara.
the extra boiled egg on the side. That was a little upgrade from the $1 menu, just to be totally honest with you. But before I take my first bite, there's a word that
Make
you
a
have to
wish,
know,
Zara.
because it's going to be
Make a wish.
extremely useful
I
to
wish
you as you
I
keep
wish
watching this video.
I am
And that
I
is
wish
Khao
I am
Gang. Kaogang
Famous
directly
YouTuber.
transfers to rice and curry. But it's so much more than
Yay!
that. It's an entire culture. It's a history of Thai food all in one place. It's food that's available for everyone, that's accessible, that's
Sorry.
hearty, that's nutritious,
I'm so
that's
sorry.
delicious.
That's
And
so
there's so many
tasty!
different varieties
Yay!
of different dishes that you can have.
It's
So many
yay
different
also, that's
influences
just life,
that have
okay.
made Kaogang what it is. Oh, I just love bamboo shoots. Let's try that first. All stir fried with chicken, with chilies, with basil in there.
This is Coca-Cola. I thought that was chocolate milk. Me too. You want chocolate milk? Yeah.
That is so
Good
tasty.
chocolate.
Oh, let's wake up in the morning. Those bamboo shoots, I think they're preserved
I'll
bamboo
get the
shoots. So
milk.
they have this kind of like vinegary taste to them. And then they're stir fried with all of those chilies, with the magroot lime leaves giving them this acidity, with chicken. Man, that's one of my favorite dishes. I love the flavor. I love the texture. Delicious. Moving on for the fried chicken. I think everyone orders the fried chicken here. You can get other side dishes, but nobody misses up the
tasty.
opportunity for that fried chicken.
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome, my sweeties.
Mm-hmm.
With water.
It's so crispy. Oh man, that doesn't have a fried chicken that just kind of bite down, and that crunch just kind of overwhelms your teeth all the way into your gums and your jaws. The crispiness, the skin. There's definitely some seasoning in that batter as well. A little salty, maybe a little bit of turmeric in there, a little bit of pepper. Definitely pepper in there too. Oh man. Then the chicken itself is so juicy. Okay, then moving right around to the green chicken curry. Gyewan Gai. And it started to mingle with the sauce. There's some winter melon. There's a big chunk of blood, coagulated blood as well. Let's try that winter melon. Man, that's delicious. I love the winter melon in green curry. It's been boiled with a coconut milk. So it just kind of absorbs. It's soft. It just melts in your mouth, collapses. You've got the chicken in there. It has a sweet taste from the coconut milk. You taste the green chilies. You taste the acidity of the magroot lime leaves in there. That's good. And this really is the definition of
I'm gonna
Kaogang.
celebrate
People love the
my birthday
variety.
now.
It's always a choice when you have Kaogang. There's so many different things that you can choose from, and that choice is something that's so
Almost got the
attractive
same
about eating
color.
Thai rice and curry. And this combination
I'm so
is
sad.
spectacular. The
No
other
one's
thing is you
gonna-
always want to try to choose a combination that complements each other.
I'm
You
good,
want it
I'm
all
good.
to be a harmony on your plate at once, to blend together and to equal out into a perfect meal. And the other benefit of eating Kaogang is you always have fish nambla, fish sauce, chilies. You can always do some seasoning. Oh yes. Oh, and let's move on to the egg as well. Yes, let's add some fish sauce to it. There we go.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay, we'll go with the egg next. The half a boiled egg with some rice.
I'm 10
Scoop
years
it in
old
with the green
now.
curry.
10
There we
years
go. This is a one biter.
Because when I was still 9 years old and now I'm 10. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Of the yolk, it's almost cheesy.
Happy birthday
Oh, so
to
good. And it
me.
goes perfectly
Yeah,
with that
make a
full
wish.
meal. And Ying has just been
Yeah,
waiting for me
make
to
a
try the
wish.
soup. I think it's
I wish to be
pickled
a good
mustard greens
brother without
soup.
being
And the soup is actually complimentary. It comes free with your meal. It's just continually boiling over there. It is really good.
Yay,
Oh, I love that
Mom.
sourness from the pickled mustard greens. Yeah, just simple, soothing, comforting, cleanses your palate. Okay, let's try that giant cube of blood. Pretty good.
I drink water now.
Okay, get some of those bamboo shoots on top of the fried chicken, chilies. Oh, that is a bite to remember right there. I'd also like to tell you that this particular video about Kaogang Thai rice and curry is very special to me personally because it's my favorite meal
The
in
end.
Thailand. I just love the